In this video, we're going to talk to you about the Pfaff Select 4.2. There's times you want a mechanical machine, and the 4.2 is going to be a little bit more than a basic mechanical machine. It has the original IDT, the dual feed walking foot system built into it. This particular machine is going to have 40 stitches built in. When I raise the lid, all my stitches are right here in front of me so I can see exactly what stitch I need to be on. It makes it really easy right here. I just push the button to do what I want to do. I have the adjustable stitch width. I can actually move my needle positions over. So right now I have the machine on straight stitch, and as I move my stitch width button, you'll notice the needle bar is moving. This makes it really nice when I'm wanting to put in zippers, cording, piping. If I need to get right up against the metal or plastic part of a zipper, I can do that with no problem whatsoever. I also can go back to center. I can go to left needle position or right needle position with this knob here. This is going to be my tension. The tension on the 4.2 is going to be very easy to adjust, and there's rarely times you're going to have to adjust it. Keeping it between 4 and 5 is going to work on the majority of the fabrics that are out there. If you're having tension problems, you're going to get us for the life you own your machine. Feel free to give us a call or drop us an email. We can give you troubleshooting tips to help you with that. The machine is going to be very easy to thread. Has a horizontal spool pin. Everything on this machine, the thread guides and all the way the channel, all the way to my needle, it's a channel there. And I have a built-in needle threader on the 4.2 to help me thread that needle. The bed on this machine is very spacious. I've got a ruler built on to the accessory tray, and if I need to easily access my bobbin, I can move this tray right out of the way, and I have the all-metal front-loading bobbin system. I do have the drop feed for darning a hole, putting on a button, or if you want to do some free motion quilting, you can do that as well. Bobbin is super easy to thread as well. You just take the bobbin out. There's one slit you put the thread through and move it through with no problem at all. And I do like how the accessory tray opens toward you so you can see everything that you need to get to. It has this little tray that comes with it. I keep all my presser feet, all the standard feet, and you have room for optional accessories. You keep those really nice, neat, and handy. 4.2 comes with a lot of accessories, and Ken Sewing Center does carry all the optional presser feet for the 4.2. Here I have my adjustable stitch length, and I have reverse for back tacking. On my planogram here, I can reference where I need to go, and all I have to do is push a button. This machine has a cam stack because it's mechanical, and what it's doing, there's a pin that's reading this cam stack. So if I want to do the stretch stitches, all I have to do is move my stitch length dial all the way past the buttonholes. It will have the 4-step buttonhole built in. And then when I get to my stretch feature, it's actually going to be reading all of the stretch stitches on the machine. You can use a lot of these for decorative, for quilting. And then, of course, what it's made for, if you're working with stretch material, there are specific stitches made for sewing stretch material. So if you have it in a stress area of a garment, and if you gain a little bit of weight, you don't have to worry about the stitches popping on you. From the needle to the inside of the sewing arm is going to be right at 7 inches. And notice around my needle area, I have LED lighting exactly where I need it. Now, these machines are made out of very durable materials. The motor is going to be large enough to handle your heavier sewing like denim, doing even lightweight garment grade leather. If you get into quilting, it's going to be able to handle the lighter weight materials as well, because the feed system on this machine, it's a 4-point feed dog system, but the outer and the inner feed dog is a little bit longer than your average machine, so it's going to grab the fabric. And then you have the built-in IDT. If you have problems with puckering or the machine feeding the material, you're able to engage that at any given time. Now let's show you just how durable this machine is. Here I'm going to have just your standard denim blue jean material. I'm going to do 8 layers of denim. This machine is going to be able to handle it without even engaging the IDT. But there's times you're going to want to have that. It's really nice and handy. It's up and out of the way. So I can have a little bit extra lift under my presser foot to get materials up and under the presser foot. And then we're just going to do a straight stitch. So I'm going to engage my straight stitch. I do have the electronic foot control. The harder you press on the foot control, the faster it'll go. This machine is capable of sewing up to 900 stitches per minute. So here I'm going to go just at a real slow speed, just for demonstration purposes. Have it on straight stitch. No problem whatsoever. Then I'm going to crawl down on 2 We'll speed it up just a little bit so you can see. And now I'm going to go to a stretch material. I'm not having to worry about my fabric going everywhere. I'm just barely holding on to my fabric. And then I do have a little razor on the side of the machine that I can rake the thread across. And I've sewn through 8 layers of denim to a cotton to a stretch material with no problem whatsoever. Now we're going to engage the IDT system. That's really easy to do. Move this fabric out of the way. I have the IDT engaged, so this is really handy for all types of sewing applications. Now I'm going to show you how the IDT system works, give you a close-up of how it's able to feed 2 layers of denim through a layer of cotton in the stretch material, not worrying about it puckering the material, feeding all that through evenly all at one time. That's the nice part about an IDT system. I don't have to get a walking foot out. It's engaged at any given time for me. There's no puckering there at all. Getting Sewing Center is your authorized Pfaff dealer. We carry everything for the 4.2. We carry all Pfaff models. If you have any questions, need us to compare this machine to any other machine in the Pfaff line or another brand for that example, we can help you find the right machine to meet your needs. I have 4 full-time technicians. We're here 6 days a week to help you with any question you have or problem you may have. I have other educators that can help you select accessories or help you operate your machine. We have more information on our website. Feel free to check that out or drop us an email or give us a call anytime. We'll be glad to help you.